Welcome to your yoga practice today. So my name is Lindsay Nova, and make sure you hit subscribe if you love all things yoga and you're looking for more yoga classes straight to you every week. So today we are going to do a fun little flow called a Mandala Vinyasa. So let's go ahead and start standing at the top of the mat. So just bring yourself into Tadasana. Feet in a nice parallel position, toes pointing straight forward, arms by your sides. And close your eyes for a few moments and just connect to your breath, connect to your body. And just feel the breath circulate up through the back of your body as you inhale and down through the front of your body as you exhale. So we begin to connect to this circular energy, sort of like a mandala. And as you find your next inhale, we'll reach the arms up to the sky, lift and lengthen. Exhale, hinge, forward fold. We'll start with a nice easy sun salutation. You can bend your knees if you need to, dropping your head down. And then inhale, lengthen your spine, half lift. Hands to slide the shoulders into the back. Exhale, fold heart to the thighs. Again, feel free to bend the knees. Again, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Hinge at the hips. One more here, inhale. And this time, bend your knees, plant your hands, step your feet back, and come into your downward facing dog. Press down through your thumb and your index finger like you could leave an imprint of your hands in earth. Externally rotate your shoulders so you feel the triceps wrapping underneath. And lift the belly muscles in. Spine is long. Breathe in and breathe out here. Now we're going to ripple through the body. So you may need to step your feet back just a little bit. Initiate from your tailbone curling under. As you inhale, roll forward. And then exhale, bend the knees and press the hips back. So just taking that again, inhale, rolling forward. Exhale, fluid spine reaching back. And then this time we're going to roll ourselves forward. Inhale, and we'll take a vinyasa. So if you need to modify, bring your knees to the mat. Slowly lower chaturanga. Exhale. Inhale, cobra or upward dog as you inhale. And exhale, downward facing. Roll over your toes, lift your hips up to the sky. Now as you find your next inhale, we'll lift the left leg halfway up. So keep it square and parallel. You can flex the foot, put the pinky toe pointing straight down to the ground. Sink that right heel toward the earth and then squeeze the left glute up. So you just draw that leg up a little bit higher as you inhale. And let's take 3 pulses. Exhale, knee to the nose, curl forward. Inhale, kick the leg up and back. And again, exhale, scoop the belly in, ignite your inner fire. Inhale, stretch. One more here, exhale, curl. Inhale, lift. And then we're gonna step that foot forward between the hands and come into a high lunge position. So that front knee is stacked over the ankle, back heel is kicking back and behind. All right, breathing in and breathing out here. We'll inhale, reach the arms up to the sky. Really use that inhale to lift and lengthen through your body. And then on your next exhale, open into warrior 2. We're gonna reach ourselves back, dancing warrior. Inhale. And exhale, side angle, elbow to the thigh, reaching the arm overhead. Then we'll just flow back and forth a few times and just dance through your arms, finding any creative movement that feels good to you. So you just turn off the thinking mind, And just allow the body to move, and you might find new pathways to explore. And this will create new pathways in your brain. And we're gonna reach ourselves all the way up and into a side lunge on that right leg. So nice deep bend into the right leg, long through that left leg. You wanna make sure you're nice and comfortable here. It's okay if the right heel is not on the floor, but press that right pinky toe into the ground. Use a block to support yourself if you need to. Inhale here. Exhale, lift through Mula Bandha, your root lock. Feel the pelvic floor inward and upward. Hands to your heart for a little balance here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Take another breath in. And then we'll bring our hands down to the mat. We're going to turn onto this right leg, turning all the way to the other side. Okay, so we're actually going to turn all the way around and then reach this right arm down so we sink. Left hand under the shoulder, and then inhale, stretch and lift. Exhale, bring it down. And inhale, bring it all the way up. Two more like this, just feeling this nice, beautiful flow, like a little dance through the body. Last one here, inhale. And then exhale. Bring that right hand under the shoulder, step your right foot back, take your vinyasa, exhale, lower. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, downward dog. Breathing in and breathing out here, left leg to the sky. This time allow the hip to open, bending the knees, stacking the hips, and stretch that leg back out, square it off, step it through. This time straighten the leg. Windmill your arms to a T for Trikonasana, triangle pose. Then we'll inhale, start to reach forward. Exhale, bring the hand down onto the shin. Inhale, lift yourself all the way up and back. Reverse triangle as you exhale. Again, inhale, reaching forward and down. Exhale, Trikonasana, triangle pose. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, reaching back. One more like this. Inhale, reaching down, and exhale. This time we're going to windmill all the way back to the front and step that right foot back. Take your flow. Exhale, inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, downward dog. Take a breath here. Right leg lifts halfway up as you inhale. Feel that left heel descend down, keep it square and parallel. Squeeze that right leg up a little bit higher. And then exhale, knee to the nose. Curl forward, sucker punch the belly in. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, curl. Navel to spine. Inhale, stretch. One more here. Exhale, curl. Inhale, lengthen. And let's step it through into that high lunge. Plant the foot forward, knee stacked over the ankle, kick through the back heel. Use your inhale to rise up and balance. Feel the grace of your heart, the strength of your legs, zipping into the midline of your body as you inhale. And then exhale, open to the side, warrior two. And then just reaching back and forth a few times, like we're a beautiful palm tree blowing in the breeze, right? So with our roots and our trunk nice and stable, we can weather any storm that comes our way. And when we are fully stable and rooted in our being, that's when creativity is allowed to flow. So allow yourself to get as wild as you want here with those arms. You may never know what could happen. You never know unless you try. Breathing in and breathing out. Taking one more pass back and forward. And then letting that windmill us all the way up and into our side lunge on the other side. Breathing in and breathing out here. Hands to your heart for a little balance. Right, so this is a mandala. We've got to go all the way around. So we're going to turn back to the back of the mat again. So we're just getting this fresh perspective. That's what's so nice about Mandala Vinyasa. Kind of keeps you on your toes. So what's going to happen next? Inhale here. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift your heart. And exhale, downward facing. Breathing in and breathing out. Right leg to the sky, open the hips. And then step it through for triangle pose. Windmill the arms to a T, legs are straight. Breathe in, reach forward. Exhale, come down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, reach back, reverse triangle. Inhale, forward. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, back. One more like this, breathe in. Exhale, down. And again, inhale, we'll windmill all the way back to the front and step through our flow. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale, hips to the sky. Right leg lifted up, inhale. And step that right foot forward. And then we're gonna draw the left knee underneath. So both hips to the mat. I'm just gonna turn to face you. Okay, if you need to extend the bottom leg, go ahead. You wanna make sure that both hips are anchored into the floor. Right arm back, left arm to the sky, inhale. And exhale, twist left elbow, hooks across. Look back over your right shoulder. Feel this nice gentle spiral through your spine. Take deep cleansing breaths. One more inhale. And then as we exhale, we'll slowly counter twist over the left side, plant your hands, and then lift your hips, go around the world. And now you're on the other side, right? Don't think about it too hard. Both hips into the mat, left arm back, right arm to the sky. Inhale, and exhale, hook your right elbow across, look back over your left shoulder. 3 breaths here. One more inhale. Exhale, slowly unwind just for the sake of balance. We'll go around the world on the other side and coming all the way down on the mat. All right, so we've gone full circle and we're just gonna relax now. So we're gonna lay all the way down onto the back. Inhale and exhale, releasing all the way back. Bend your knees into your chest, give yourself a hug, imprint your lower spine into the mat. Then open your knees, happy baby, hold onto your feet. Lift your feet up, drop your knees down, just rock it out side to side. And then just stay into the center. Imprint your lower spine down into the mat, lengthen your tailbone, relax your shoulders, breathe here. And slowly release your feet and release your legs long all the way out on the mat for shavasana, arms by your sides. Close your eyes and just allow your breath to flow naturally through your body. Let's take a cleansing breath. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth, letting it go. And again, bring yourself back to circulating your breath. Inhale through the back body, exhale through the front body. Feel that circular energy, your prana, sustaining you from the inside out. Relax with conscious awareness here in your shavasana for the next few minutes. Whenever you're ready, you can bring yourself up back to a seated position. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that Mandala Vinyasa. Again, my name is Lindsay Nova. Please like, share, and comment this video if you loved it, if it helped you, and let me know what else you want to see. Thanks so much. Have a great day, you guys.